I'm just trying to. I'm messing with my audio, but once I figure out the audio, then I can actually start playing a game. That's weird. Let's see.
Hmm.
Let me see how it actually like. Time to see how it actually like stacks up. But okay. So when you get a moment, I do actually want to get PSO2 from you, like before I head back tomorrow.
Yeah.
I am interested in trying it, but like,
Yeah. It's best experience when you play with friends. I have like character slots, so I can just like make a new character and play with you.
I mean, that's good. That's good at least, because
Hmm.
I'm actually like interested in playing, but it could be.
Yeah. Yeah. We'll just have to get like probably Tyler's like his uh his external hard drive to do it.
How
Just
big?
because
How big is it?
50 gigs.
50.
Yep.
God damn.
Yeah, it's really big. There is a lot of shit in this game.
Let's see. So how is this sounding? Hey Z, say something.
Yo. Hello?
Okay, no, no, you're good. You're good. I was testing. I was testing something for Twitch. Was all.
Okay.
I was seeing if all three audio sources could actually be heard. Because one thing you can do is on your phone, you can actually use your phone as a means of managing your Twitch.
Yeah.
So I was doing that. I turned on my Twitch stream on my phone just to hear what I was sounding like and everything. But I mean, it
Okay.
seems to be working perfectly fine.
Hmm.
I just gotta make sure none of the cursors are captured because there's no reason for them to be captured.
Yeah.
And scroll up just a little bit.
Okay. I think mine is. Oh, wait, what? Why is it offline now?
Yeah, I was about to say it's still. You use your phone to figure that out because it'll be easier than. I mean, I'll tell you every time because I have yours open, but still.
Hmm. Okay. It says I'm streaming, but it says it's offline. That's very interesting.
I mean, the software is in beta. Did you put the key in the right place? The stream key?
The the stream key? What do you
Yes.
mean?
There. So Twitch, any streaming service has like a stream key. So, so for instance, when I go into the OBS settings, it's like okay, all it needs for it to work is it just needs to know your Twitch, that I'm using Twitch, and and the like 20 to 30 character long stream key.
Oh no, this program literally just links to my account, like my actual Twitch account.
That's strange.
Yeah, it just links to it and then does it.
That's like I said, it's strange. Okay.
Yeah,
Um.
it's kind of weird.
Yeah. Yeah, because almost all of them, not most all of them that I know about at least require like a stream key. So
Hmm.
I guess I should do a full run first and then actually try to.
Yeah. Hold on. Let me see. Hmm.
but like if Tyler's not gonna come code, you can join our chat. I mean,
I thought he said he was just gonna do it in his room and then join the chat anyway.
Yeah, but I didn't make a document for objects, so I didn't really.
Oh, okay.
So I didn't. I was like, just come over. I don't feel like working, and I don't feel like making a document. It's too much effort.
Hmm.
Um.
Hmm.
Alright, so let's see if I can actually play this game without sucking. Now, this will be an actual challenge, mind you. Actually, I'm going to check one more thing. I'm going to see if I can map something to the controller, because that would be fucking great if I could. I don't know if I can. I'm going to see if I can map, because you know how I have the splitter for my speedrun thing? I don't know if you have my Twitch channel open or not. And I'm all alone.
I don't know about you, but the Twitch stream,
Mm-hmm.
it's like everything that we say happens like 5 seconds later in it, or like 5 to 10 seconds later in
I
it.
know that. There's a delay. I know there's a delay.
Okay. I was confused. I was like, what?
Yeah, no, yeah, that's just because it has, I don't know, it's just a delay. It is what it is. I know why, but I don't feel like explaining it. It's not complicated.
I understand.
Um... Alright. Yeah, that's why I have your Twitch muted, so whenever it does come on, I don't have to listen to us 5 to 10 seconds later. But I do have, so I won't be able to tell you if your audio is good or not. You'll have to use your phone for that. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, that was weird.
It's me, Mario. Hello. Okie dokie.
Dear Mario, please come
Dear Mario, I've decided I'm not going to bake a cake for you. But I'm going to tell you I baked a cake for you to trick you to come in here. That's basically how the opening cutscene summed up. I mean, she says that she baked a cake for you, and then she doesn't. I mean, she does at the end of the game, but she already said she baked the cake. So, like, why? What the? Okay, whatever. Alright, so do I go for the bomb-on or do I skip the bomb-on? That's the important question.
Skip it.
Skip the bomb-on?
Sure.
No, that is not the faster option, technically. But it's the more realistic. the more realistic option if, you know, I didn't suck at the game. That being said, I kind of suck at the game, so it kind of just, you know.
Yeah.
Here we go!
Wow. See if I can. Oh, I almost fucked it up. Okay.
Here we go!
Are you still trying to figure out the EMB thing, or are you just gonna switch to OBS like I did?
I'm gonna keep using the NVIDIA thing.
Or AMD, you mean?
Well, yeah, AMD. I don't know why I said that.
I was about to say, if it's NVIDIA, then you really shouldn't use it with your AMD card.
Yeah, that'd be weird.
What the hell? I don't think I've missed this jump so many times before. Oh, time to restart. That was bad. That was bad.
I'm tired. It's me,
Oh, wait.
Mario. Hello.
Three, two, one, go.
It's me, Mario. Hello. Okie dokie.
Dear Mario,
If the
I beg
what's it called? If the AMD thing doesn't work, I do strongly recommend just switching to OBS or like something else, because it can be, because I've never heard of this AMD thing before. But I mean, hey, it could be popular and good. But I mean, your computer has more than enough juice to handle a different software for it.
Yeah. Oh, no wonder why it doesn't work with this. Apparently it doesn't support PSO2 because it's a Japanese title. That's literally the problem.
Alright, well then switching to OBS, right?
Yep, switching to OBS now.
Dun-dun-dun-dun. Careful, guys. Bowser's evil. If you don't watch out for his evilness, he's going to be even more evil.
Oh man.
He's only keeping the ruler of this extremely insignificant kingdom captive. Wow.
Here we go!
But yeah, for reference on like the kind of specs you could run this game on, Sean, when I originally started playing this game, I think I was using like an Intel Celeron, and I think my graphics card was an AMD Radeon 4650, and I had like 2 gigs of RAM.
2 gigs?
Yep.
So it's impossible to run it on a NVIDIA Titan, correct?
Yeah, no, totally impossible, man.
Yep, too important of a game, like just way too resource intensive.
Yep. I think your laptop will be fine. In fact, I was running it on my Mac, which I'm pretty sure is inferior to your current laptop spec-wise.
Well, yes, that is true, but I'm pretty sure that you could I could probably run it on my little gaming. I have like a tablet that's basically a PC. I don't know if you know.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know which one.
I don't know. You probably could, considering this game has been ported to the PS Vita and also.
Oh, if it's been ported to the Vita, I could definitely do it.
Yes,
Unless
one of the
specifically
original. Yeah, it was ported to the PS4, the PS Vita, iOS, Android, and PC. Although the iOS and Android ones are very different. They're completely different servers, and yeah, they're very different games. Literally, the only reason that they have any like significance is that people that aren't from Japan can completely bypass having to supply their credit card info directly to the company if they want to buy things in-game in PSO2, because the way the iOS and Android versions work is, well, specifically with the Android, you just use your Google account, and Google Wallet is can exchange funds through like from like many different countries, basically. So you can essentially bypass the normal process of buying things in-game by buying it through the app, but then just using the points that you could get like in the actual game because it links all your accounts.
Oh, hi, Tyler.
You got me for like 45 minutes.
Oh, well, Tyler's here. Feel free to, when you get back, feel free to join our Discord. Because we're just kind of dicking off.
Yes.
I'm gonna be playing Overwatch because the Overwatch update is in like 45 minutes, which is why you have me for 45 minutes.
Oh, well, that explains it. Alright, so...
I can't help it, Sean. The Christmas skins that I don't even know anything about are gonna look maybe amazing.
I mean, it's a good... Overwatch is a good game. I'm not...
Sean, you haven't even played it. How would you know?
I mean, besides the fact that it obviously sucks, it's probably a decent game. No, I grounded like
it's kind of like Red Hill 1 Retribution. It looks like a good game on paper, and then you find out it's such dick.
No. Well, I already failed. So, anyway. Let's see.
Oh, have you been liking my shit posts?
I think they're shit posts.
But Sean, you haven't observed all of them.
They're such low tier shitposts.
What? Fuck you.
They're
They're amazing.
they're okay.
Oh. So,
They're okay.
Let's say, like, bitch, you ain't modding yourself.
Dude, just give me mod power so I can make your shit look all colorful.
Mm.
You don't even know how to give people roles.
I don't know any of this crap, but
Okay, watch.
Alright.
We go over to... Motherfucker. And you just make it... You give it, like, black, and then done, and then you come over here to Z. Wait. And look, see? Now now we...
Hey, look, I'm black now.
See, he hasn't even... And then you can, like, give them powers, like, you can make them... You can change nicknames, you can, you know, they can manage emojis.
This is everyone's.
Oh.
But yeah.
We're not gonna get... Well, fuck it, everyone can have the power to manage emojis, and then you can display his role separately from everyone else, so you just have this nice word.
Okay, Tyler.
And then you can come over to here and go... You can go... God King of everything. Done. And then, wait, oh, I didn't change any of the settings.
That's not how you spell faggot.
Manage roles, manage channels, manage server, ban, kick, blah blah. You're gonna have all the powers. Deafen members, mute members, move members, manage messages.
Make it green.
Oh,
Make it green.
this is the everyone. So let's not give everyone the powers to do all these things. We'll give everyone the power to manage webhooks though.
Oh.
Don't ask what webhooks are. I still have no fucking clue, and I manage one of these servers. Okay. God King of everything, this is gonna be you, so you're gonna pick that color. So you're literally getting fucking everything.
Cool. That's.
You can manage the webhooks too, man.
What? I can?
I
think that
know,
should be the
right?
one power I can't have.
And then we go over to here, and we give you your God King of everything role. See, and it makes it nice and colorful. And then we can go over to here to server settings, and we're just gonna make this role. What should my role be? I'm trying to think of something stupid.
Here, Z. What role should Tyler be?
I don't know. Something gay.
All right.
Just put something gay, actually. That's perfect. Okay.
Does your spacebar not work?
Oh shit! I'm hit tilde. Real fast.
Wait, what?
By itself.
Hey, what?
Hey, Sean.
Ouch.
I think I got it to work.
I'll let you know when Tyler's done messing with Discord.
Okay.
I'm just writing up stuff for in just a moment. And then,
There you go, and you can just make roles for everyone, or you can make like a blanket role like faggots and just put like a ton of people in the faggots.
I'm probably gonna do that.
And then
So okay, cool. All right.
I want you to type this as I'm doing this. Person.
But yeah, it'll depend on how many people are playing Overwatch. If I come in that Discord or not. But I will fuck around and shitpost more.
Okay.
Z, how can you say these are low quality shitposts when I put a prison school shitpost in there?
It seems like you put forth no effort, man. I gotta be honest.
Well, those are just random memes that I have on my computer.
Exactly.
I haven't
No
got-
effort.
That's just fucking shitposting though. Just posting
Yeah.
memes.
But I mean, you have to put effort into your shit posting. It's an art.
Well, I didn't exactly want to spend the time to shitpost right at that moment.
Exactly, and that's why it's a low quality shit post.
But sometimes low quality shitposts are the best shitposts because they're funny. For being low quality, and no other reason.
Sometimes, yes.
See, it would be it could be momentary shitposting. Like some of those would be great reaction images, but no one does anything in that server, so.
Hey Sean, can you see my stream?
Just finished writing what I was going to write. All right, I want you to write what's on the board in a brand new program in a new class. So, and I want you, which I will show you how to do that if you
New
need.
program and a new class.
How could I what?
Goodbye, Matthew. It was nice knowing you. Yes, I can see you. Your thing's on.
Cool.
It's already clustered. Would you like to join? Please tell me your username so I can be friends with you.
I don't know the number.
How do you-
I think I'm friends with him. I could just send him a. I give myself the power to create
If it's
invites.
the correct Discord.
Don't worry, this Discord is only made for shitposting, among other things.
And don't worry, we'll change Z's role at some point. If any of us remember.
Gotcha.
I'm okay with being nigger.
It's niggers if you didn't read it correctly.
I'm okay with this.
Okay, hold on. Now this warrants me to.
Figure this out. I do not associate with what?
That's cause
I don't associate with niggers.
Alright, so it needs to be a whole new class.
Yes, and do you know how to do that?
Well, class program. I assume I'd come out here.
It's over here. So right click over here. Or just not. Don't click right click on that one. Click below it. Right click.
that's
on-
cause
I don't associate with niggers.
Add. Wait, no, that's not okay. They give you like a.
Add class. Alright, so we have class 1. So we'll have it called class
Yeah, the first thing is it has to be named
person.
the object name.
Yes. String,
Fuck.
name, and age. String, name, int, age.
So on your speed run.
Oh yeah, hold on. Let me stop that now.
Person, string.
No, I do not want to update my tabs. That would be bad. Make sure my times are still normal. 2, 1. Yep. Okay. Okay.
Me and Z are both Twitch streaming at the same time. So yes, we're both Twitch streaming. And,
I might stream Overwatch.
Okay.
I don't know how to stream. I assume if I have OBS, you could show me.
Yes.
I do have OBS.
Oh, then yeah, I could show you. It's really easy.
So my aunt might not be getting me a graphics card. She might be getting me a case, but then I'll buy the graphics card.
Dude, nice.
What I'm getting, no matter what, I'm getting the new graphics card by the time I come back.
Who's Ice Cube? Matthew?
It's not a cup.
Land on the ground, but
What the fuck was that scream?
when I say
And that trash bag in the kitchen trash bag is like barely even like half.
I will rectify that.
Sure.
how much do you want? Apparently, I'm obligated to give you the whole thing.
How much?
This container.
No, not all of it. No, no! Matthew, you motherfucker! You take some of this shit.
For reference, for anyone who is sorry enough to end up on these channels and watching, we're talking about corn.
Z? Z, can you hear all that?
Yeah. Should probably put I should probably
Cornbread! Take the
put
fucking cornbread!
Now the RA is gonna come down. Just say, I hear cornbread.
I just heard rain! I just heard a vampire scream.
Hey Sean, do me a favor. Show me how to add audio or change it so like only certain audio things come from certain sources. Yeah, Sean. Dude. Sean. Sean, do me a favor. Yo, Sean, are you still there?
chores real fast. That's all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's not taking a minute. That's why I have Be Back Soon on my stream.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah.
I was just wondering if on my stream, could you hear anything? Is there any sound?
I'm purposely have you muted, but I'll unmute you for like 2 seconds.
I'm just wondering if it's capturing all the bullshit
Hold
that
on.
we just went through.
Hold on a second. I'll be able to hear you and it, so give me a moment.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, there's sound.
Okay, is it just the game sound, or is it our mics as well?
I didn't test for that.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't want to leave it on too long because it'll just be a bunch of noise.
Yeah.
Streams.
I mean, I just want to know, because it's like, I'm trying not to capture my mic at all.
Try not to?
Yeah.
Any specific reason?
No. Just for these kind of things, I don't do a lot of
Hold on.
talking, because it
Hold on a
requires a lot
second.
of focus.
I'll be able to hear you and it, so give me a moment. Yes, at least I can hear myself.
Okay. I'll have to change that somehow then.
Oh. I just walked back. Says he was still putting something in his car. You saw my beard's back now.
You want help? No.
I don't drink soda.
Okay, so
There's so much fucking cornbread!
it's so easy to make too much. That's the problem. While you finish typing this, I'm gonna start a bowl of ramen unless you've already finished typing.
Done.
Goddamn. Okay, so time to explain a couple of these things after I turn on the curry. Okay, so essentially the way it works is that so we have our class, we named it person. Okay? Easy enough. This is completely outside of methods. So we have a string and now technically you can put these anywhere, we're gonna put them at the top. We're always gonna put them at the top. Just commit that to memory. It's easy to see everything. You put all the values and then all the methods. Right? Note there is no main method in here. The reason why is because we are using we're using the main method from the other class because this is just an object. We only want it to function as an object. We don't want our code to start here. Yeah. Okay. So our object called person
Takes in a string and an int.
has a string in the name. Doesn't take
Okay,
it.
has a string and an int.
Yes. So these two methods right here are called constructors. So the way constructors work is essentially when you create a new instance of that object, it will require you to put in a string, or it will require you to put in a string and an int.
Okay.
So go back to your main method in the other class. Now that you've done that, you don't. And I want you to type person and then name it something, like the variable something.
So, person Tyler
Yeah, Tyler equals new
new person.
and then when you open the parenthesis, it should say like one of these two. It should start telling you over. Okay, so put a semicolon at the end. But yes, so what's the error tell you? The error should tell you. Okay, it does not have a thing that takes in 0 arguments. That's correct. Because if we had that, I would have written person. Because that right there takes in 0.
Did you move all the pennies?
Oh, I was looking for more pennies.
Oh.
CZ, what have you done? Now Matthew's putting pennies on my windowsill.
Nice.
Just want to let you know that I already took out trash. There's nothing here.
Matthew, I already have to take out more trash after this. It'll be fine.
I had to take out my trash too. You know, I'm taking myself out. That counts as leak of like 3 bags.
So anyway, so that's correct.
Okay.
So that's correct. This exact. So instead, I want you to put in a string, just hard code in a string. So don't bother like making a variable for it into the parentheses, the second set. And that works. That gets for the error. No, that was. What? Oh, no. Go back to the. Yeah. Go back to the person class. Let's see why. That's fine. Here, hit save on everything. See what happens. So like, what next to it? Yeah, that literally saves everything. Oh. Okay. Go back over here. Okay. Type public in front of all 3 methods. That's another thing.
Well,
You understand why?
yeah. I know what public does. It makes it available for the entire program. There it goes. Now it's working.
Yep. So that's how. So essentially, what this constructor does is essentially anytime you create a new person, it will require a string. But also because it's a type of method, you can overload it. So you can have a new person with a string and an int, and it'll automatically reference this one.
So now I could do person Sean equals new person string Sean, comma 20.
Yeah.
And now this is saying that Sean is the person Sean who is 21 years old.
Correct. And then, so now to explain this little guy right here, all this does is simply, you notice how I'm reusing, like, even though string name exists throughout the entire program, I can reuse it right here in a different context. This name is different from this name. What happens is that when it's in the method, the most local thing overrides it, if that makes sense. So this is local to the method, so this is what name would be by itself, as opposed to this one. If you don't have name specified in the method like that, then it will default to this one up here. So the way you specify between the two is I say this dot name. This references the name of the class, while this one references that. So, which I will actually do this for easier visual. Oop. It's literally just so that way you can be less creative and make up something different. To be honest, you could also just name this something else. So let's say instead I made it name B, right? Then this dot would be redundant at that point.
Okay.
So it's the only reason why you'll see that. Fair, easy enough?
Yeah.
So okay, now you have. So now you can go and you can write a console out statement. So write a console write line statement underneath in the main method. And I want you to do what'd you name the first one? Tyler. And I want you to do Tyler dot. Okay, and run it. We'll see if it should error if I'm not mistaken. No, it didn't. Oh, backslash n, not forward slash. Initial. Backslash n is the same as enter key. Why did it do that?
What, not give an error?
Did you specify your age with Tyler?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, so take out the A. That should be error. Okay. That makes sense. Okay, that's interesting. I don't know. I guess the difference between C# and Java. It should have errored, but it didn't. Okay. But anyway, as you saw, it referenced name with that context.
Because if I put toString, it does that method.
Yes. Now every
So
object.
wait. So if I'm getting this, let me see if I'm getting this.
Sure.
So basically, what it did was it looked through to see what method it was using when I did the console outline. It saw the toString method.
Correct.
So it took the information I gave it in main, which was a string, and at that time an int, and it looked, and it took these and plugged name to here, which was the string, and took the int and plugged it into age and then printed it.
Correct.
Okay, cool.
Yep. And when you said person Tyler equals new person, you created a new instance of person.
Yeah.
And that instance is saved in the RAM as
Person.
a person. So
Okay.
really easy, really simple. You can. That's really the hard part, is getting through this part, ironically.
The hard part is getting to the easy part?
Yes. Essentially, there's that. Every object has. Here, actually, now I want you to make another class. Make another class. I want you to name it Male. M-A-L-E.
Yeah.
I'm actually going to go over the extra little bit that your class may or may not cover in 1301. It will be in 1302. Or they will say that you should have covered it in 1301 and you didn't cover it in 1301. You'll just ignore it on your own. Like I did. So it's an empty class. I don't want you to write anything else for it besides I want you to add so you have male. And I want you to put ... person. And then the bracket.
Oh, that's male. Dot.
Yeah, colon. Sorry. Yeah, colon. Okay? So, that should work as is. Alright.
Oh, wait, class male. Okay, wait.
Yeah, in a new class.
I put it inside of the class, not... What?
No parentheses. And then, what'd you name? You haven't named this, what's it called? Save, hit save. Oh. Let me, this, I know it takes Alright, in order for us to do this, we're going to have to make a constructor in person that has 0 argument. So do that thing where it's like person, parenthesis, bracket. Or curly brace, I'm sorry. Yep. that basically lets you create an instance of a person where you don't have to initialize either of those variables. Okay. So that one. Yeah. Okay. So the way this works is this is called extend. All right. This is really simple. Male extends person. All right. In this case. So male inherits every variable and every name and every method of the person, but also I want you to add, let's say, an dick size. And then when you, then I want you to create a constructor that says public male, and then string name, comma, int dick size. String name. And then do the this thing that would equal it. Do this dot name equals name, semicolon, and then this dot dick size equals dick size. Okay, let's go back to the other one. And name those variables by the top public as well.
Yep.
Okay. So what it's doing is that it's literally.
Should I also do int?
Let's do just copy that constructor you made here, like the first one with just name and dick size, and then do name, age, dick size. Because if it's a male, we're going to require them to put in a dick size, and they have to have their name in there. But the age is optional. And that's kind of what we're doing with these overloads. Is that I made the age optional in person, so I might as well make the age optional in male, essentially. Z, did you turn off your stream?
Yeah, I turned it off.
Any reason?
Trying to figure out how to only get game audio to go to the stream.
Oh,
That's an OBS setting.
yeah. So, okay.
Yep.
Because you said you could hear the mic, right?
I can hear myself, not you.
Yeah, sorry, that's what I meant. Like, you could hear, like, everything that's going on the desktop, including our Discord chat.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to change it to not do that.
I want you to do public toString in the mail class. Return. Now just copy this line right here as is. So copy like the return line, but then I want you to add onto the end plus.
Alright, done.
Okay, and then you added sex male and then dick size.
Oh wait, plus.
Yeah, this is
Okay,
just
so
at the
name
end.
plus dick size. And dick size.
We don't have to get a variable to write.
Age.
Yeah.
And then we do plus backslash sex.
You don't have, I was about to say, you don't have a sec.
So you don't have a sex variable, so just go ahead and just type it in the string. You had it right. So plus. Then you have exactly the backslash, and then type your size.
I already fixed it.
Oh, then okay. So now
Now go to main.
Now go to main, create a
New person.
new male.
Male. Male Z
And then
equals
fill in
new
your
male. New male. We take it. String, which is his name.
Time to see how flat this
Z.
soda is.
Probably not very.
Or extremely. We'll never know.
2. We have his H. And that is it.
Surprise.
So now we console dot right line.
I'm sorry, that was public string, obviously.
Yeah, I know, I got it. Z dot 2. Fucking F3. Up now there are errors.
Let's see what the errors. Ah, yes. Just pull this up so you can actually see. It tells us what line.
How do I
There's a little green thing. Sure.
Oh wait, maybe hold on 1 second. I know what else we need to do.
Is that the same as class 1? It needs to be whatever it is.
Oh, so it needs to be the same as a class 1?
It doesn't not for running, just for the example to.
Because then it would be 2. Oh my god, Sean, why would you do that?
Looking for the end result. It's line 13. Oh, there we go. Right there. Just a little extra comma. Then
We need to go watch update.
you guys just start that download real fast.
Yeah, I'm gonna start the download and then we'll have it over a little bit.
Alright. So Z, I've decided I'm gonna wine and dine you. Okay.
What?
I've decided I'm gonna wine and dine you. Okay. So here's what's gonna happen. All right. I'm gonna bring you over. I'm gonna light some candles. We're gonna have some nice romantic ramen.
I don't know how I feel about this.
I mean, it's gonna be extremely romantic. So I mean, that's already a plus.
Hmm. Ramen noodles.
Yep.
Ramen noodles.
Yep. It's gonna be like lime and shrimp. You know, that's a fancy flavor that you don't hear every day. It's not just, everyday chicken.
I don't know, man. Where's the miso? Where's the miso ramen?
Look, Z, I don't have infinite money.
I have standards.
But Z, what if I don't have standards?
But I don't see how this is my problem.
But it could be, though. That's the thing.
That does nothing but hurt me, though.
But you get free ramen. I mean, hey, look, that's a good deal right there.
I don't know, man. I'm gonna have to actually I have to restart my computer. Give me a second.
How long's it got?
I don't know, a while. It's like 1.24 gig update.
Oh. Also, Tyler, I think over the break I will actually try to play Overwatch. I will need access to. I'll probably get access to Luke's account.
What?
I'll probably get access to Luke's account, but over the break I might actually try to play Overwatch.
Okay.
Okay.
Anyway, you just had a comma somewhere. That was all.
Okay.
So it was a minor syntax issue. But the thing is, in this thing down here, it tells you where the errors are, like what line and what class. So, like put a random error somewhere, like just put a comma where it's not supposed to.
It is fine.
Oh,
I understand.
okay. Well, essentially, the reason why.
According to, yeah, there we go. According to the school, they will be doing maintenance on the internet.
Yep. After we leave.
Well,
After I
also
leave.
here.
Yeah. After you and Z will be affected, so you guys will probably have to find a show to watch or something. Okay. So.
But I mean, it's until like 3 in the morning or something.
Yeah.
From 11 p.m. to 3 in the morning. Like, I don't care enough.
I mean, there's a chance.
There's a chance, but nah. Okay, so a couple things about this that's interesting. So you know how you named the two-string in person and the two-string in male the same thing?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what's called override.
So that's when you override a method. So technically, this toString is also overriding a method already. It's overriding a method in the object class. So at the very core of every program, in every variable type and everything, there's the object class, and every single class automatically inherits stuff from the object class. So the object class only has like 2 methods in it and has no variables associated with it. And one of those methods is toString. That's why you can use toString on literally every object. Entirety of
Because it's already in the object class.
yeah, it's already in the object class, but it returns something really fucking weird.
Okay.
Now the thing is, when you wrote toString in the person class, you overrode it, meaning that anytime you reference toString in person, the locality of it once again beats it. So that one gets referenced every time. And the same thing with male. If you're using a male and you reference toString, if you didn't have a toString, it would go to person. Because it does though, it goes to male.
Yeah.
That's pretty much it. Well, last but not least, now to actually teach the difference between static and not static. And there's like one more thing I could teach, but it's not as important. So the difference between static and not static is super duper simple. So we're going to make a new method in person. We're going to call it add butts. I don't know. Let's call it add butts. It's a method that takes in a string. No. Yes, it takes in nothing and returns a string.
Okay.
So
It's a new class?
no, just throw it in person as a method.
Okay.
So public string add butts, and then it has no parameters.
Okay, I'm starting my stream back up. I think I may have taken steps to probably fix it.
I have a really janky way. That's how I fixed it. So
I literally just set it like the different audios to different like things.
Dude, that's what I did.
I know, because I can't actually figure out how to do it correctly. I'm just gonna do it this way. I said fuck it.
Did you not find Matthews?
I'm pretty sure I gave it to him for whatever. Right.
If he doesn't have it, it's better. Okay, yeah, it's only airing out because there's nothing to turn. Yeah. Okay, so now for add butts, I want you to literally return name plus butts. Literally just adds butts on the end of it. It's a really dumb ass method. But here, now go back to the main method. Do not make this static, correct? Okay. So go back to the main method. Use Tyler as the base, and then console.out.console write line and console write line Tyler dot add butts. Ooh, it did that. Now go back to person. I want you to add another method directly below it. And I want you to just copy the content, copy the entirety of add butts, because we'll basically use the whole thing and adjust it. But we're going to overload it instead of just erasing it. Alright, add a parameter to it. And add, no, just add, what's it called? String name. Or, yeah, whatever. And then replace name in the return statement with that. And lastly, make it static. So before string. Okay. Now, you cannot use that method. So the difference is this. So when you use it with a static method, you use it with an instance of person.
okay.
When it's non. That is completely wrong. I said that completely backwards. Purge mind. When it's not static, you use it with an instance of person. When it is static, you use it referencing the person class.
Okay.
So this time on a new line, type console.writeLine, then person dot instead of Tyler. At butts. And then this one has to take in a string. So put in a string in there. Yeah, the quotation mark. That's that. So what the static of it does, it lets you reference it without having to make an instance of it.
Okay.
Hence being static. It only works one way. You know, it doesn't change depending on what the values of person are. It just is what it is.
Yeah.
So, however, a dynamic or a non-static method essentially will always use the variables within within person and requires you to make an instance of it because it's going to use those custom variables. That's it. I mean, that's you can directly change these variables. Like that's another thing that you can do. Like if you type, let's say, because those variables are public, you can do Tyler dot age, and then you can just do like +1 or plus equals. Now you're 121. You can directly because those variables are public, you can directly modify them
Okay.
just by referencing like, hey, this
Okay.
this instance is. It takes a minute for the stream to come up. I'll tell you when it's up.
Yeah.
Because
All right. I
delay.
think I got it set up though. Hopefully.
Hey, cool.
Um.
And I accidentally exited out of it. Whatever.
Okay, that's all I got for you. Congratulations. That's objects.
Nice.
Everything from this, like, until you get into 1301, I just recommend randomly practice. Randomly
Cool.
practice everything. Okay, have fun. Let me know if you want to get on Discord.
Okay. Yeah, I see the stream up now.
I do too.
Cool. Is any sound?
I have no idea.
Okay. I think there is. I can't really test it because of the way I'm doing it. Because, yeah, I had to mute my speakers for me, but at least I think.
I don't hear us, so you should be fine.
Okay, you at least hear sound effects though.
I hear the sound, but I don't hear us. So.
Okay, yeah, that's fine. That's exactly what I was trying to get. Sean, pick a field for me. Pick a free field for me.
What do you mean a field?
On my stream.
Oh, you mean a name?
Yeah, in game. Dude, I could go to Las Vegas.
I don't know what any of this means.
Basically, a dungeon, a place to go.
Go to Vegas.
All right,
You
Vegas
know
it is. Yeah, man.
So you know what the worst feeling is?
What?
So when you're eating ramen
Mm-hmm.
made spicy,
Yes.
then your lips crack because it's winter,
Yes.
and then you get the spiciness directly there, and now your lips are spicy.
Yeah, it sucks.
That's the worst.
Yeah.
Hopefully I eat this quietly enough, because if Twitch hears me eating this, then I'll get banned.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
That's a thing that can happen?
Yes.
I never knew that. That's very interesting.
Something about not appealing to fetishes or something. I don't know.
That's very interesting. I mean, it makes sense. I'm just... Wow. Alright then. So, This is apparently what they think Las Vegas looks like. And by they, I mean Sega of Japan.
I mean, it doesn't. It's not too inaccurate.
Yeah, fair enough. I mean, when you see the monsters they got going here, and what they're right, I don't even know. You'll see.
Man,
Whenever
I gotta
this,
say, I wouldn't watch my own stream right now. It's gotta be so boring just listening to two dudes randomly talking while watching Mario sleeping.
I mean,
I was teaching programming, so I guess if somebody got something out of it, I guess that's okay.
I'll watch your stream.
But see, it's so uninteresting.
I don't care. I'm gonna watch it anyway.
Do you even have mine open?
Yes. I just put it up. Dude, what if I stream your stream and then you stream me streaming your
They
stream?
already have restreaming. Or hosting, rather. They already have hosting, so it doesn't matter. But you're not even... It says I have 0 viewers. Don't even lie to me.
I'm on there. I'm in there. I'm watching the stream.
You
I
lied.
see. Okay, well maybe the Twitch is the liar, because I'm watching the streams right now.
Okay.
We.
Then pop quiz. What painting am I sleeping in front of?
It looks like the one with the fucking castle with the one star that you fucking hate because it's in the little, thing, the metal cage thing, and you have to take the fucking owl.
Okay.
It's that one.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
I told you I'm watching. I'm looking at your stream.
You whore.
All right, fine. Then I just won't watch your stream.
No. It's okay. You're like my one viewer, man. Look, I have no friends. Okay. I'm gonna post in the. I'm gonna see in the group chat if anyone wants to actually like get on Discord right now.
I'm sure someone will get on. You know, playing PSO2 with no sound is really, really weird. I gotta find a way to fix this. This game requires sound. It's one of those games of like, it's hard to tell what's going on if I can't hear certain things.
Well, why don't you have it? Why don't you have PSO2 outputting to your headphones and?
No, that's what I'm.
Oh god damn!
Hold on. Hello? Oh, hi. How are you? I'm pretty good. I'm pretty good.
I didn't know that ringtone could be even louder.
Good. Okay, I'm back.
So
But yeah, I'll have to figure out how to. You know what it is? I think I just need to like find a
okay, what 2 audio sources do you have?
Currently, the only audio sources that I have or that are in use are speakers and headphones. And basically,
Well,
I'm just
really
having.
That's really easy then. Set me to headphones and put or set me to speakers and then put on headphones. or the other way around?
I mean, you'll hear yourself. You will hear yourself. I mean,
Oh yeah, that's right.
that's what I'm saying. Is like it's that. It's literally that. It's like I don't want to have you via Discord hear my in-game noises via mic because that'd be really annoying. Which is why I'm using headphones in the first place. But I don't want people on stream to hear us talking, which is why I'm like, there's a way to do it. I literally just have to like, there's probably some kind of program that allows me to like set certain audio sources to like different I guess devices. There's a way to do that. It's just I don't know. I just need to find a software for it is all, and stop being lazy.
Here, I have one.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, I'll actually send it over Discord. I can do that.
Okay, cool.
No, it can. Don't be careful about messing with Discord's audio source because it could fuck up that one.
Oh. Okay.
Let's see here. Where did I put it? There you go, family.
Gonna turn off the stream for a little bit for this.
Figured this out.
Yeah.
I mean, it's easy once you've got it figured out.
Right. Okay, here we go. This'll work. Is there a way to route it so like I could have one source going to like multiple different sources? I mean multiple devices?
I have no idea.
Because that's what I wonder if that's something I can do.
I mean, you could set. That's a good point. I don't know. I don't know. I just found this little cheap thing working. That would work really easily. Okay.
Yeah. No, it does work. It works. Yeah, no, this actually would work. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a way I could do that. So I don't know. This is interesting, though.
Alright.
Figure it out.
Time to make my stream not boring anymore. Because so far it is quite boring. So time to actually like Mario 64 or something.
Yeah.
It's me, Mario.
Okay.
Hello.
Can you still hear me, Sean?
Yeah. Can you still hear me?
Sean.
Yes.
Yo.
I'm still here.
Whoops. I fucked up something. Hey, Sean. Yo. Oh, okay. I can't hear you, though. I think I literally... Hold on. Yeah, I think I literally did what you warned me about.
Yeah, didn't I say explicitly not to mess with the Discord source?
Actually, wait. I lied. Okay. There we go. I think I fixed it.
Can you hear me? If you can't hear me, then
Never mind. Just kidding. I can hear your stream, but I can't hear your mic. Yeah, I'm gonna restart this.
alright, well then there's me. Okay, so
Did I fix it? I fixed it.
yay.
Cool. I just had to restart the computer.
Yeah, did you do explicitly what I told you not to do?
Yes.
Z, why?
I was curious. And now I need to re-download my PSO2 tweaker. Shit. That shouldn't take long, but it's just annoying nonetheless. Because I didn't give the thing a long enough time to re-download itself. Or remake itself.
So Z, you wanna know what you should do? You should change the audio source of PSO2.
Yeah.
Yeah, changing my audio will not help you. It will only make it
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I'm just trying to figure it out. Like, what's the best way to, like, route some of these things, is all. Okay. Wait a minute.
Yeah, I did it. I saved the chain chomp that was sitting here doing fuck all. Isn't that great, D?
Yeah. Okay. Now what if I...
know if you end up needing like some help figuring out this whole streaming thing. 'Cause I've got it figured out.
Yeah, I'll let you know. I'm just I'm trying to think or find out if there's like not right now. I'm just trying to figure out if there's a way to get OBS to only like pick up sounds from the game now. I wonder if that's a thing because I know there are certain recorders that definitely do that. That will only record from games rather than from like the desktop or something. And I'm wondering if I feel like that's something it should be capable of.
Hegel.
Okay, let's try this now.
Hegel.
Why are the sound effects in this game so?
Hmm?
Why are the sound effects in this game so? Now I can hear all of the game audio.
Yeah, I know. That's because my speakers were on.
Hegel.
Ah, fucked up.
Wait, what?
Hegel.
No, I missed.
Wait, what?
I'm playing Mario 64. I'm so bad at the game. Why did I go? Where'd it go?
Okay.
Claire's message is that you can't have a full life, despite the
All right,
challenges
then.
life gives you. Here's our example. Cystic fibrosis, what Claire has, is a genetic, chronic, and
Okay,
What?
Sean. Okay, I was just making sure it was working. What's I gonna say? I was not going to say anything. Anyway,
No! I almost had a really hard trick.
nice.
No. I almost had it though, so it doesn't matter.
Hmm.
Are you kidding me? Okay, whatever.
Mamma mia.
Did you look up like a tutorial that, on how OBS can?
In the process of it, I just had to fix some things. Yeah.
Like, come on, don't leave me hanging.
Oh, no, I was just, like, fixing shit. Like, it was nothing. Basically, because I fucked up Discord again without actually touching it this time, and I just was like, whatever. So I'm just gonna go back to the, not using my normal audio, or not being able to hear both audio, or the audio through two different devices. Because I'm not sure. I wonder if that's gotta be a thing you can do. Hold on.
Oh my god, I made it. Oh my god, I made it. Oh my god, I hurt myself. Oh my god. I am so bad at the game. Oh my god.
Oh boy.
Still trying to figure it out.
Yeah.
Why do you care so much that people can't hear, that you don't want people to hear you on the...
It's just annoying.
Annoying. How's that?
That's all. Because it's like, I don't know. It's more at this point. It's more of me just trying to like get you know what? I don't care anymore. Whatever. It's not even that. It's not even my voice. It's the fact that it'll be heard through like. It's literally just because of you will hear it through Discord, is what I mean. Like, it's not so much my voice I care about. It's the fact that from all other recording software I've ever used, this is the only one where you couldn't just like select a specific game and only get the audio from it. It just takes it from the entire like desktop, which I think is strange for
And there is a way,
recording software.
you just don't know how.
Yeah, exactly. It's like there's got to be a way because this is very odd that this is like this is all.
All right, give me a moment. I'll look. See, I didn't want to actually put in effort, but now I'm going to put in effort.
I mean, you don't have to. I'm just trying to find it for myself.
I'm tired.
Ugh.